Hi, this is Divine Collections, and today I'm just showing a quick tutorial on how to make your own track for a sew-in. And right here I have some expression hair, and then I have a clear plastic bag. It was actually a method that I more or less tested tonight to try to see if it would work, because I bought the expression hair at my local beauty supply, and I was looking at some of the sewings that they had on the tracks, but it just wasn't what I really wanted. So I decided that I would go ahead and try and see what I would do. So I came up with this method of making my own sewing. So I have the hair laid on here on the plastic wrap, and I'm using my sewing machine. Okay, and now I'm just clamping it down, and I'm gonna just run it through. And the plastic bag, what it does is that it creates friction. So it's creating friction. Okay, so I run it once, and then I go back. So I press the reverse button. Okay, steady. I'm not getting dizzy. Okay, and I reverse. Okay, so once I reverse, I then put the track down. Okay, so I sew it right through the middle, and then I put the top half down. Make sure that it's nice and smooth. Then I clamp it right back down again. And then I run right over it with my sewing machine. So that locks it in, and I can go back once again on the reverse. Just to make sure it's really, really locked in. Okay. And so once I have that done, I get it out, cut my thread, then I just pull out the plastic as best as I can. Don't show me, just pull out the plastic, and then try to get all the, as best as I can. I mean, it's gonna be in the back anyway. See, as best as I can, get out all the little scraggly parts out of there. Okay. And then, as you can see, it's a track. I'm set to go. I mean, you might have some shedding, but you just have to work with it, and And I didn't cut any when I was doing the sewing. I didn't cut any hair. This is what I have so far. Show my hair. Show my hair. Go all the way around. This is what I have so far. of my sewing with the hair, and I'm just trying to fill in a gap I have here in the back with this, and this is my last one. I sewed it in, then I use a curling hot water to curl it, and some rods, some cold rods. So all I have left to do now is just fill in this gap here, just looking to make sure that I fill my gaps, and then I'm all set. And that's what it's gonna look like once I'm done. So I'm trying to fill in my gap, and then I'm all set. I've curled it the way that I wanted it curled, kind of like loose curls, and I'm set. So just to let you know that you can, if you have a sewing machine, I mean, regardless of what it is that you have, you can be creative and make things happen. You just have to have your imagination, use your imagination, and just be creative, and don't let anyone or anything stop you. Alrighty, thank you. And make sure that you like, subscribe, and share with friends and family.